body feels I'm
But why?
Ikaw nilang yung narinig na video. Why already? Just don't feel right. 'Cause I can love you more than this. Yeah. When it lays you down, I might just die inside. It just don't feel right. 'Cause I can love you more than this. I never had the words.
Let's give respect to Nabara.
Magbigay pugay sa may-ari. Nabara Candeta. Nabara Taunig na.
Welcome to La Union, town of Madi.
Thank you. Enjoying the driver of Teddy Casiano. Only. Woo! Welcome to the Corbadas of La Union.
This is the first town to deepen.
Don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but
I
you.
can't see you.
Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you put your hair gets me over. My way you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you know you're beautiful. If only you know what I can see. You understand why I want you so desperately. You don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. You gotta know. I'm right, I put it in your soul. I don't know what.
Balik. Ngalay na ako nangangalay na. Ang bigat mo. Naasar sa'yo. Ha?
Naman ako nakatulog pala.
Hindi. Alam niyang may ano. Hindi naman natin overtake.
Shit na ba?
over lang kami.
Oo nga.
Kawan mo yung kiring lang.
Serve as our guiding light.
Kaya pag may lubak siya muna.
Pag tumaob yung mga tulda.
Nagpipitinan ako.
Napagalan niya. I can't believe
Siyempre, yan napili niya.
cause you make my heart race. Shot me out of the sky.
Aha. Ha.
You're my kryptonite.
Nakapatay ako ng air.
You keep making me
Dead aircon. Aba!
Pero kailangan patayin yung aircon. I'm sorry. Hindi naman niya alam.
Nakita ko ang chance. It's the stretch, darling. It's the stretch.
Mas mag-distract siya sa stage. Oh, sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
Habulin tayo sa stretch niyan.
Bakla buti hindi ko pinatay sa 5 minutes.
Habulin ako niyan. Babawi sa stretch.
Magkilala ka ng babae ka.
Mamaya, pag di ko na kaya, bubuksan ko yung bintana.
Wala na, malayo na yun. May harang ng tricycle.
Sunday na, puno.
Andyan na, andyan na. Andyan na. Tabi ka na.
Mahuhulog muna ako ha. Patayin ko na sa dali aircon. Mahuhulog. Stretch! Ayan na siya!
Ala ka. Layo niya.
Kaya ba na?
Ay, wala na.
Babol yan. Bilis yan eh.
Nandun na tayo sa Espinita pagdating niya.
Basta patnisan talaga.
Marami na siyang obstacles.
Ano? Makahiya. Nagpatay na aircon.
Hindi naman niya alam.
Hindi na itong ano.
Dali.
Sagad na siya. Grabe siguro ko yung Civic mo, no?
Depende sa driver.
Kunwari, drive ko ka. Kasi mga eri.
Hindi ko pinapayagan kasi.
Circles. Circles.
Pareho kaming nag-i-stopan ng 110 pa na, 120 pa na. Oh, yung pangsayaw ni ano. Wala na. Tapok na siya, tapok.